It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. I'm wearing the same shirt I had on yesterday. The undershirt's not the same. But I'm like really digging my flannel shirts for fall. And I set this one on the chair and I picked it up again. I like this shirt. This is from Kohl's. And then, of course, I have my Avon owl necklace, which I love so much. What are we on, like the third day of fall? And what does Bath & Body Works do? They give us a Christmas preview on the app. I tell you, you guys, we cannot escape Christmas right now. And in addition to that, on Instagram, I'm going to put the link to her Instagram below. It's BBWLOVZ50. She's in Canada. Gave me a sneak peek of something called Gingerbread Village. I'm like, oh my gosh, could we be in like Land of Sweets land? I don't know. Remember? What was that? That was fall of 2019, I think, when we had Land of Sweets. Oh my gosh, does anyone remember these? I just happen to have these on my makeup table. Land of Sweets was just magical. They had so much good stuff. Remember these roll-on body glitter? We had Charmin Cherry. We had Blueberry Swirl. These were so retro. And then we also had the grape one, Grape Goodness. And I bought a lot of these. These are one thing that really has held up over the years. And they still smell amazing. This totally smells like Grape Goodness. I would love to see like these roll-ons come back, but we're seeing a lot of stuff starting to roll in for Christmas. Strawberry Snowflakes looks magical this year. It's got really kind of a fairy tale, which, by the way, is in that collection. But today, Bath & Body Works, I'm going to start putting up some screenshots here. So on the app, they did a couple of things. The first thing they did was your holiday story. They're just kind of previewing out the Christmas is coming. They've got Holiday Town. Next up, they're calling it Holiday Town this year, which is cute. This preview train takes the sneak peek scenic route with storybook views, magical scents, and plenty more merries on the way. I'm really excited for Christmas this year, I gotta say. And then here's what they gave us. Candle Mountain, fresh balsam, 'tis the season. Boy, I love those plaids, by the way. Those are super pretty. They gave us a sneak peek of hand soap. That is actually out already. And then this is like, I don't know if this is like foreshadowing. Like, the Gingerbread House. Oh my gosh. So then I gotta put this screenshot up. The final screenshot I have is from BBW Loves in Canada. So she shared this, and it's got in the back, you can see a kind of a brown bottle, but it's body care. I gotta make it really big on my phone. But it says, I think it says Jolly Gingerbread Village, and it's a body care. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm really hoping it's not just like the gingerbread latte one we usually have. So years ago, we had spiced gingerbread swirl. I only have the diamond shimmer mist left, and this is actually a really like nice one. It's a little bit, it's starting to fade. I can barely even get the scent, but I remember it smelled really good when I had it, but these tend to deteriorate, I think, after a while. What year was this? I think it says 2018. This was 2018. Oh my gosh. That was a long time ago. That was like 5 years ago. Like, oh my gosh. I am really, really hoping we get a strong, full-on gingerbread body care this year. I take eggnog too. I'm not going to lie. Eggnog would be wonderful, but having a nice gingerbread, I hope it's strong too. I hope it's not like too weak. Anyway, I'm excited. I feel like Christmas is going to be so magical this year. Also going on today at Bath & Body Works. So they've got the huge shop laundry thing happening. I'm actually going to do a video a little bit later about laundry because everyone, I don't know, I just don't know what to think about like the laundry stuff. I think I'm going to order one just so I can see what it is, and I'll test it out. They also have hand soap today is still $3.95. Hand sanitizer sprays are $2.95. So it's kind of like a little bit of a carryover from yesterday's sale, which I think is interesting. But I don't know. I'm just like, it's weird. The laundry stuff almost feels like it's like limited, like it's on and then it gets sold out. So I don't know what's going on with that. Also, I wanted to point out on the app, I actually in my wallet got an earn 2 times rewards points on a $40 purchase, 1-time use only. But I had to activate it, but it's good until the 27th. So I don't know, keep checking your apps because all kinds of stuff is showing up over there. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.